Alright, let's play with this gun. It's really something so good and so funny to use, guys. If you didn't prove it, didn't test it yet, just do it because it's really fantastic and so fun to use. So I rate you to use this gun. For those who don't find this weapon in the game, just know it's the Hades operator mod. So when you reach the maximum level for the Hades, the second LMG, then just take the operator mode and then you will have this gun, the chainsaw from Call of Duty Ghost. It's one of the best weapons to use and for having fun. It's so good, but also so funny. Now we are on payload. I don't really like this, love this map, but it's not that bad. Oh my god, I'm in a shit situation. Fuck off. It was written that I would die because, you know, I was in a sandwich. I'm using the comsec, so I don't have the steamy shot. I don't know where they are. They are camping somewhere, maybe. Come here. Alright. One is there. One is there. He's coming. He's maybe coming. Yeah, he is. Okay. The other one. Oh my god. I'm just pushing it too much. I'm going to die. No, I'm not. Not for now. Wait, here I have to pay attention to this. Okay. Alright, baby. Chopper gunner here. No! Fuck off, I was 10 points away from my assault squad. This was really sad. Is my chopper gunner inbound? Yeah. It is like sleeping here in the map. Come here. This mod, this operator mode, is also easy. Oh my god. For doing headshots, guys. I don't know why, but with this I just get a lot of headshots, so it's also a nice thing. Right, let's take the annihilator. Not so easy to use this specialist. The annihilator is really hard to use because, you know, you have to be really, your aim has to be good. It's like for, oh my god, this was a fail. It's like for a sniper. I always fail like the easy bullets from the short range. I'm like, look at this. I was meaning like something like this. Okay, he's coming from here. Okay. Help me, thank you. Ooh, assault squad and chopper gunner. I don't know why. I don't know how, but I got the streaks. You know, the comsec is really so useful. So useful because you don't really care about streaks and then you see the coming and it's a nice sensation. Oh, he was using Ghost. I wasn't expecting that. Come here. They are all here. They are all playing here. Oh, this is really hard. This is going to be hard. Reload, please. Fast. Where's my UAV? Run. Hoping someone is gone here. No one. Ooh. Come. Oh my god. Last UAV. And then we are coming to an end. Waiting for you. Oh, no. Yeah. Done it. Not bad. Absolutely not bad. Summit is a really nice map for this gun. I don't know why, but every time I played it, it was like perfect gameplay. It's really funny. my god, I'm so focused when I'm playing with this gun, because you can't like fail to shoot a single bullet. You have to be really focused on what you're doing. Nah, fuck off. This was a nice beginning, but I was like locked on in there. Let's get some spawn trap there, like coming all from here and go away. Get away, man. Hi. Nope. I knew it. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Really nice. I love this game, really. Like Petri Savra. Like Evra. I really love it. Ooh. A problem with this gun is that you frequently get like one shot. I don't know why, but it hasn't so much damage, so you have to... I'm dead. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh my god, we are losing like 27 to 55. I don't know if the opponents are so good or my teammates are so bad. Maybe both. From the long range, this gun is a little hard to use, but when you are used to do it, then it's really good and funny. Come on guys, I was like... No! This was bad. Why? Just one was singing off the map. Come on. Come on. Look, 68. How are my teammates so bad? They aren't so good. Yeah, they are maybe not this bad, but also not this good. I'm like trashing them so much. I don't really know. I'm 12 and 2 in like 1 minute, and we are losing 36 to 17. Really camping, and I don't know how to explain it. Oh, also here in this trade right here. Come on, die. But I also hate the fact that now anyone is playing with Rampart with high caliber, which alright is a nice gun, it's a good gun, what you want, but you know, it's so fucking hateful. Shut up. I was like muting the guys and he came and didn't see me. I was lucky. Help. Help. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where have... yeah. I was like having 10 fucking enemies from everywhere. I don't really know where my teammates were. Stop camp, you little noob. In a one-man army right now. All my teammates aren't killing anyone. I'm like with 11 kills. And we are at 15. Shocking. Come on. Alright. Alright. Alright, man. Take this. Alright. Okay, I love using Tempest now. I don't want to die. I'm waiting for you. Alright. Okay, I'm like... Where are they? They were like killing my teammates right here, but they aren't here. Ooh. He's coming from behind or right here. Okay. UAV. Wait a second. Is my helicopter inbound? What? I like all the streaks. I called the fucking streaks. Where are my streaks? No, really, I hate these things. I can't really believe it. I can't really believe it. Where are my streaks? Where is this guy? Fuck off. Die, die, die. Hi. Hi. I was like taking it for my squad. I was like one-man army, guys. 44 kills. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're not, and let me know with a comment below if you tried this fucking weapon with it's so good. So guys, for today I'm out. See you later.